We're at the booth of AI Media, whose main product is Lexi, and we are talking to Declan Gallagher, Vice President of Sales for Asia Pacific region. Hi, Declan. This is your second or third Broadcast Asia?
I've been to a number of Broadcast Asias throughout my career, but as AI Media, this is our third Broadcast Asia.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Right. What are the products you're showcasing this time?
So we are specialists in live and recorded media workflows for transcription, translation, and now AI dubbing. Lexi is our brand, which represents all of those different services. This year at Broadcast Asia, we are launching Lexi Voice. Lexi Voice is real-time, live AI dubbing.
Real-time, live AI dubbing. That's right. Can you give me a further explanation on that?
Yes, of course.
A practical application?
Absolutely. So just to explain the workflow, what you are seeing, let me just explain the workflow. It is a three-step process where you will run video source into one of our encoders. An encoder could be IP-based or could sit in your AWS or Google Cloud environment, or it could be hardware-based, where it sits inside your MCR or inside your playout center or control rooms. What's happening is we're taking the audio from that video source and we're sending it to our cloud layer called ICAP. Within the cloud layer is where the magic happens. We are firstly transcribing the voice to create text, so it's speech to text. Following that, we're translating that into another language, text to text. And then we're utilizing vendors like 11 Labs or Google to use a synthetic voice or an AI voice to do text to speech to create a new audio track in a new language. So to make that a bit easier, if you think of a real life use case, if you were a news organization and you were looking to expand or commercialize your content in other markets, you could have an English speaking newsreader. You could create an entirely different feed of translating that English into 100 different languages. So you could scale very quickly into Vietnam or Italy or France, or really any country in the world where you want your content to appear and commercialize that in those markets.
And is this instantaneous?
It is instantaneous. It's all happening live. So at the moment, depending on the workflow, and we will be able to demo this at the stand for anyone that's here at Broadcast Asia, we're running latency of around 5 to 7 seconds. All that matters happens. That is it.
That's
a groundbreaking technology.
There's nobody in competition that has this, as far as I know.
Live, not in live. We're
not in live, yeah.
Live broadcast. There are a number of companies that are localizing recorded media in the same way, but not in live.
And what are the kind of clients you're hoping to attract to this technology?
Yeah, we launched this technology at NAB show this year, 5 or 6 weeks ago. So we're talking to a variety of different sectors. Broadcast and OTT is an immediate use case and certainly very interesting. But there's other applications in government, in enterprise. You might have a company who has a CEO that's sending an address or information to their employees. And those employees might be multilingual. They might be in other countries. So the ability to increase the comprehension for that audience to understand in their native language what that message is.
Defense?
Certainly defense. There's a variety of sectors. And that's what's exciting about captioning and translation. The fact that AI has changed, the ability to scale quickly, and the accuracy now is on par, if not better, with traditional workflows which use humans. And of course, it's far more cost effective than traditional methods.